See how Laycon is seriously rocking Nengi during Friday night Jacuzzi party.
Esi dey occur, Laycon go super. Yay!
Last night at the house was another massive and enjoyable moment as a video circulating online captured Laycon seriously grinding and rocking Nengi's bum bum. He wouldn't let her go.
Hey, Laycon and Nengi. Laycon, hey, Nengi, hey,
Other housemates were spotted also dancing. However, Laycon and Nengi were spending their nights with hard grind dancing. Following how Laycon rocked Nengi's backside, Nigerians were contemplating why Laycon wasn't hard. According to one fan, how Bbnaija housemate Laycon wasn't getting hard needs to be studied.
Laycon, má jẹ́ kí Nengi kó bá ẹ. Kí ni kókó gan Laycon? Laycon, ṣàánú mi jọ̀ọ́. Fiṣẹ́ yẹn lẹ̀. Má tún wà mọ́ra. Oh my God.